To watch the full lecture of all subjects, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon because whenever I post the new videos, you will get the immediate notifications.
Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. From this particular video, we'll be starting the new subject, that is financial institutions and market. In this subject, it's a theory subject, complete theory subject, and we are having 5 chapters. And that first chapter is financial system in India. And whatever the videos I'm making, it is as per the new scheme. In this particular videos, first we will be dealing with what is the meaning of financial system and what is the definition of financial system and what are the components or structure of financial systems. Now, first let us look into the meaning of financial system. Now, financial system is a network, okay, or the mixture of financial institutions, financial markets, financial instruments, and financial services. So, we have financial institutions, financial markets, financial instruments, and financial services. Comprising all together, okay, is financial system. Regarding each financial institutions, financial markets, financial instruments, then financial services, we will be dealing in depth. In that financial institutions and markets, we'll be going even more depth. Okay. Now, so financial system ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಿನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್, ಫಿನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ಸ್, ಫಿನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರೂಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಫಿನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸಸ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲವನ್ನ ಒಗ್ಗೂಡಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಏನಾಗಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ? ಫಿನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, financial system helps in transfer and allocation of funds effectively and efficiently. Now we have two cases. Okay, so there'll be person who is having fund. Okay, now let me assume that Mr. A is there. He's the person having fund. Mr. B, he requires fund or he needs the fund. A person ಹತ್ರ ದುಡ್ಡಿದೆ, B ಪರ್ಸನ್ಗೆ ದುಡ್ಡು ಬೇಕು. Now A person will have to transfer the fund. Simply he cannot transfer. There is a procedure, there is a system. ಈಗ A person B personಗೆ ಫಂಡ್ ನ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ. ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಫಂಡ್ ನ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ವಾ? ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್. ಒಂದು ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ನ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅದೆಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಫಿನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಓದ್ತೀವಿ. All these things we will study in financial system. So transfer and allocation of fund has been achieved in the financial system in a very effective and efficient manner. Next, foster savings. It develops savings. So what happens? You have money. Okay, simply if you keep the money in bank, it will not give any returns for you. If you invest the money somewhere in some financial instruments or financial assets, you will get returns on that, and that returns you can increase your savings. Next, channel savings in the most efficient way. Now we have option A, we will be having option B will be there, option C will be there, option D will be there. You have some fund with you. Now you don't know whether to go to channel A, channel B, channel C or channel D. So with the help of this financial system, you can choose the appropriate channel. Which channel is best for you? Which channel will give more returns for you? You can choose among those channels and you can select the best way. So financial system is all about these things. Now, definition of financial system. In the words of Van Horn, financial system allocates savings efficiently. Now, we have shares, we have debentures, okay, then we have FDs, recurring deposits, term deposits, everything. Now this is your savings, so you can choose whether to invest in shares, whether to invest in debentures, whether to do FD, whether to do RD or term deposits. You can choose effectively and efficiently. You can allocate your savings to different channels. So allocate savings efficiently in an economy to the ultimate users, either for their investments in real assets or for consumption. So now what happens? Banks are there. Now I am Mr. A, who is a customer of the bank. Now I am putting 50,000 in my account as deposits. Now I have made this deposit for 10 years. Till 10 years I will be not able to take the money. Now bank will take this money and invest in some other thing. So, or they may even use the same money to give loan for Mr. B or some other person. So the person may use that fund for investment purpose or for their consumption also. So that is what they have told, either for their investments or for consumption. Now when we look into the components of financial systems, as I told you that financial system, we are having four main divisions: financial markets, financial instruments, financial services, and financial institutions. ಫಿನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಅಂತ ಮಾತಾಡಿದಾಗ 4 ಮೇನ್ ಡಿವಿಷನ್ಸ್ ನಮಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವ್ದು ಫಿನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್, ಫಿನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರೂಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಫಿನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫಿನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ again, when we look into financial market, we have money market and capital market. When we come to financial instruments, we have term based and type based. Financial services, when we speak, we have fee based and fund based. In financial institutions, we have two types of institutions. One is banking institutions, second one is non-banking institutions. Under non-banking institutions, again we are having organized institutions and unorganized institutions. This non-banking institutions is called as NBFCs. Okay, we'll study about all these four divisions and subdivisions. We will be seeing it detailedly in the future videos. In this part, we have studied about the meaning, definition, and components. This is the components of financial system. Hope you have understood about what is financial system and what are the components of financial system. If you have any doubts or queries, please put in the comment box so that we can respond to your doubts as soon as possible. Thank you for watching the video. I'll come back with the next video.
If you have any queries regarding today's session, kindly send your queries to education.mbroadcast@gmail.com.